Right. I'm Kannan Lal. I'm the General Manager with Valmiki Group. This Valmiki Group was established in 2001 and now it is the 15th year that we are going through, and we have gone and risen to many folds. We started with a very, very small office, and today we are very proud to inform you that ours is the most popular overseas education office. Today, the 22nd May, we have multi-country education fair in Taj Vivanta. Foreign delegations have come, and this is an occasion for the students to take the most benefit by applying free of cost. There is no application fees, and application waivers are available, and on the spot admissions are permissible. This is something like a boon for our students. We have done meritorious service for the children. We send children to so many countries, and they are really being blessed, and with the result we get blessed. Not only this, we also deal with foreign travels, foreign tours, and we also have a foundation. We look after the destitute children, and we have started with a very meager number, but now we are coming up more. Today we have 33 children. Now for the students, the best part is Valmiki Group is a one-stop shop. Anyone who wants to go abroad, he has all the facilities, all the requirements to be done in one office. Not only this, not only about travels, not only about application, it is also we give him the coaching classes like IELTS, TOEFL, PTE and GRE, which in most of the universities and the colleges it is required. Our group is headed by the chairman cum managing director, Shri Ganesh Valmiki. We have directors Raj Valmiki and Kishan Valmiki sir, and then is the general manager Kannan Lal, who looks after the operations. This is a very good organization, a good organization for the children, and good opportunity for the children to go abroad. Thank you so very much. Thanks.